Hello, Miss Jones again. Today is about digital citizenship, part two, I guess part C, number 3. What we're going to do is we're going to go over real quick how to create a poster, if that's what you decide to do, to illustrate one of the 10 things to think about before you post. So again, we go to the stream, and here we are. Here's the stream, right? And it's in the Share Your Meme Poster Comic Strip with the Class. Here is the website, Poster My Wall. You click on it, and it will take you to the website. And you will say, make a free poster. And you can pick any poster. Any poster. There's all these different posters in here that people have made, but I just want to show you new design. You come in here and I'm trying to look for one that's going to be fairly simple. I'll just go right here for now. All right, so create. Drink your water. Don't forget to drink your water. We're going to go with graduate colors. All right, preview. I'm going to apply that. This is actually showing how to do a different way, but here we're going to put text. You can add some fancy text. I think I like Chancery cursive. And then post smart. And you can move it to where you want to move it. You can center it. And then you can also add clip art. Online. So I can put in this person here, add clip art. There he is. I can move him down. Post smart. And I mean, it could be as simple as that. And then you will download it. A basic image, because that's free. Download. It's creating your design. Comes up at the bottom. I'm opening a new design. It says it's opening. It hasn't opened yet. There we go. So that's it. And I put save as. And I'm going to just put post. All right. And then I go over to the classroom. And I'm going to share it with the class. Look. And then add file. And I'm going to go upload, browse. He was my last download, so I click on post. It's going to go over. And I post it. Don't forget to turn it in. You also need to turn it in. So just because you posted it on this screen does not mean that it's going to be graded. You actually have to go to classwork, go down to week 3, and turn it in here. All right? Bye.